Hey there, my amazing friend who's passionate about learning English. I'm truly excited you're here because I have something valuable to share with you that could really level up your speaking skills. Let's talk about 3 particular words that often get mispronounced by English learners all over the world. These words seem simple, but they can be pretty tricky if you're not familiar with how native speakers say them. The words are again, mountain and pain. Now, at first glance, they might not seem like they have much in common. But they do. All 3 contain 2 vowel letters next to each other, and this often leads people to try to say both vowel sounds separately. For instance, many learners try to pronounce again as again, clearly separating the vowels, or they might say mountain as mountain, or pain as pain. But in natural English, that's not how these words are pronounced at all. Instead of dividing the sounds, native speakers blend the vowels together smoothly, almost like they're making one single sound. In the word again, for example, the ending sounds more like gen with a relaxed vowel. With mountain, you'll notice that the T almost disappears, and the vowels glide together, making it sound more like mountain. And for pain, the 2 vowels A and I create just one long vowel sound, like pain, not 2 separate sounds. When you practice this technique of blending vowel sounds and softening your pronunciation, your speech starts to sound more natural and fluid, just like a native speaker. This is the kind of detail that makes a huge difference in how fluent you appear to others. And it's not just about sounding good. It's also about being understood and feeling confident when you talk with others in English. Fluency is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about rhythm, pronunciation, and how your words flow. That's exactly what Speak Real English is all about. We focus on small yet powerful pronunciation and fluency tips that will completely transform your speaking confidence. If you love learning in this way, where you focus on one useful tip at a time and really absorb it, then you are in the right place. Keep practicing these words and try using them in your daily speech. Challenge yourself to say them naturally when you're speaking with friends, at work, or even when you're thinking to yourself in English. That's how real fluency happens. And remember, you can always visit Speak Real English for more free learning resources. We offer a detailed premium course designed to help you master English pronunciation and conversation skills in a fun and effective way. If you're curious, come check it out and see if it fits your learning style. Also, don't forget that there are new English tips posted here regularly on this channel, so make sure you're subscribed. If you enjoy podcasts, you can also tune into the Speak Real English podcast available on various platforms where we share even more helpful tips. Thank you for being a part of this community. Your progress and enthusiasm mean a lot, and I'm so proud of everything you're achieving. Keep going. Keep learning. And I can't wait to speak with you again next time. Take care and happy learning.